everybody. Welcome back to Sincerely Legenia, Vlogtober day number 24. It is a beautiful Monday here, and the time is now 12:30. And so this morning, what have I done? Got up early, dropped Angelina off at school, and I went up to our theater, did some work. Now I'm headed up to the school. I'm going to give some instructions to one of my employees there. And then I've got to get started on a new seasoning. I'm experimenting in my kitchen, a new spice blend that I've come up with. I need to experiment with it a little bit more, and I want to try to get the recipe down for it today. So I'm going to go back home and get in the kitchen and just start experimenting with this new flavor that I've got coming. It was supposed to be released actually a few months ago, but I just was not completely satisfied with the flavor, so and I've kind of put it off. Not kind of, I've just put it off. So I'm back in the kitchen today. I've got to get this new flavor out. I want to get it out before the Thanksgiving holiday so that I can have it to offer to you all for a special that we're going to be having. So that's what I have been up to today. For breakfast, I stopped by Chick-fil-A. I got me some Chick Minis. Y'all, I've got to get a grip on these carbs that I have been eating. I've got to get a grip on it, so I'm going to try to do better. I couldn't even finish it because as I was eating, anyway, I ended up giving it to my husband because I couldn't finish it. So to be honest with you, I'm hungry right now, so I'm going to, once I'm finished here at the school, hopefully come back and get me something that's lower in carbs and that will make me feel better, because I've just been feeling so sluggish and ugh. So I'm gonna do that today. Trying to think of what I'm going to cook for dinner. I'm not sure yet. So I'm gonna be thinking about that throughout the day. I do have some pork chops at home. I really don't want any pork chops. Of course, I've always got chicken at home. I don't know, I just don't know what I'm gonna cook yet. So I'm gonna be thinking about that for a minute. But one more thing, I want to go ahead and start dehydrating some fruit. If you've been following me for quite some time, you all know the last couple of years I've been dehydrating fruit to use in homemade simmer pots that I make. And so this year I kind of want to get started early in dehydrating some fruit. I'm probably going to do this twice this year. I'm going to do it right now so that I can show it on my social media platforms so that everyone that follows me can be ready in time for Christmas. So I'm going to dehydrate some fruit. I'm probably going to get that done today. I'm going to try my best to get it done today when I get in, if I get in early enough. It's all dependent on how early I get in. So if I get in early enough, I'm going to do that. But between now and the time I get back home, I'm going to be deciding what I'm going to cook for dinner and deciding if I'm going to go ahead and get this fruit dehydrated today or not. So anyway, it is a marvelous Monday. As always, I'm so happy to have you, my friends, here with me. Going to be my dinner today. I've literally got one small pork rib and then 2 pieces of the burnt ends, which burnt ends is just literally that. It's just the ends of brisket that they cut off and sell. So really delicious. This is all I'm gonna have. I'm really not very hungry, so I'm gonna eat this little bit and call that good. Hey everybody, so I just finished my dinner and I still want a little something that wasn't totally filling. But anyway, I picked up this Thai chili kale chips that came in my delicious door box. I thought I'd give this a try because, like I said, I want a little something, but not like enough. I don't want any more meat. But I do want to pretty much stay within low carb. So let's try these out. These are Thai chili kale chips. I got this from my delicious store box that I talked to you guys about a few vlogs ago. Oh, it smells really good. Let me let you guys see what they look like. All right, this is what it looks like. You guys see that well? All right, just kale. It's got a lot of flavor and seasoning on it, but let's see what it tastes like. A little spicy. Pretty tasty. Okay. Whoa. Got a bit of a kick to it. Got a bit of a kick to it. But these are yummy. They got a bit of a crunch, lots of flavor, and got a bit of a kick to it. So much so that I need to get some water right now. My goodness. Yeah. But yummy. Okay, these are pretty delicious. So, again, I got these out of the Delicious store box. I'm going to put below, I'm going to put a link to Delicious store. And there's also a coupon code that they gave me for any of my followers and subscribers who are interested in trying a box. You will get everything that I had in my box. So I'll put the link to the video where I shared with you everything that came in my Delicious store box. So this is the first item that I've tried, and really good, really good. So I do believe you get, what, 15% off? I'll put it right here. And yeah, give them a try, guys. You'll get everything that we had in the box, and you get to give these a try too. So use my coupon code so that you can save some money. Yummy. So everybody, upon further inspection, I read the email that I got from Delicious Store more clearly just now. And actually, you get free snacks, okay? So I needed to hop back on and tell you guys that. So I'm going to leave the code right here. And if you go to the website, and which the website will be in the description box below, use this code right here and you get free healthy snacks. So definitely go and check that out. I'd love for you guys to get some free snacks. Okay, free is always great. So again, the link is below, Delicious Store. Use this coupon code that's right here and get your free healthy snacks. Okay, and if you try it out, be sure to come back and leave me a comment below letting me know you tried it out, and let me know how you like it. All right, so I am going to be making beef stew tomorrow. Didn't really get to do what I wanted to do today, but I'm gonna make some beef stew. So I'm gonna sit that out so that it can be thawed out. And in the morning, I'm going to probably put that in the slow cooker. Yeah, I'm gonna put that in the slow cooker and have it cooking. So when we get home, it will be ready. I didn't really get to do what I wanted to do with my oranges and limes here, which was, of course, I told you guys earlier this morning, I wanted to get started with dehydrating my fruit. I was hoping to, so I didn't get to that. And actually this orange is it's gone bad. It's like really, really soft. I think I'm just waiting too long to get this done. So I'm gonna check on these other ones here. I'm not liking the way these are looking. So I'm probably gonna have to go to the store and buy fresh fruit all over again, fresh oranges and limes. I've got cranberries already frozen, so I'm gonna take those out, and tomorrow I'm just gonna get some fresh oranges, fresh limes, and try to do this process all over again because I don't like the way these